G'day guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and today on the show, I'm gonna draw a creeper from the Minecraft movie. All right, let's do it. All right, first off, we're gonna start with the eyes of the Minecraft creeper. So come over here, and I want you guys to draw a nice square, but with cornered sides, so rounded sides. Now what you wanna do is you wanna color that in black. Okay. You know what, at home, see how fast you can go. See if you can go so fast that it doesn't go outside the lines. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna come over the other side and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna draw another square next to it, like so. And you wanna color that in black. Now, if your squares aren't the same size, don't worry, just go over the other square again and get it the same size as the other one. What we're gonna do now is the mouth at the bottom of the Minecraft creeper. So you wanna do like kind of a shape like that. And then you wanna go across on that side, cross on that side, and you wanna go down the way on that side, and the same on this side, go down like that. Okay. And then you wanna bring it in to there, bring that one into there, bring that up to there, bring that up to there, and then connect into there. And then we have the mouth. And guess what? You guessed it, color it in black. I'll probably speed this part up so you know you're not bored with me just coloring in something in black. Now we're gonna do the head. Now normally Minecraft creepers, when you normally draw them, they're gonna be just square, blocky heads. But on the movie, they've got like a little bit of fur and stuff going on, don't they? There's a bit ruffled and edges and all that. So what we're gonna do is gonna come to the bottom here, and I want you guys to just draw a line here for the bottom of his head. And we'll go one up here as well, like that, okay? Now, what I want you guys to do next, in the corner of the top of the head here, is I want you to go up like that, and we'll go around like this, and we'll come down like that. So it's almost like he's got ruffled hair. And we're gonna do the same down here, but we're gonna go one like that, and one like that. These are almost like shark fins. So come in, and you want to connect these lines together, like so, like that. So that's the side of his face. All right, so on the other side, what we're going to do is we're going to go another shark fin here, another shark fin there, and another shark fin there. And over here, we'll do a shark fin this way and a shark fin out that way. Bring it in. And you want to connect this one to that one to form off the head. So that's his head. Pretty cool. Now the next part is we're going to do like the body of the creeper. So let's go down here. You don't have to get these lines perfectly straight. Imagine a creeper, it's moving, bit of movement, always good in the drawing. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now the next part is we're going to draw the creeper's feet. So this one might seem a little bit tricky, but we're going to break it down. So you want to start in the middle of here, and I want you guys to draw a line like that way. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side, like that, okay? So we've got two lines there. It's almost like if you were to draw a seagull, you know when you're at school and you draw seagulls, just normal, it's like in the background. That's what that looks like. Now, come over to this part here, go in so like that, and we're going to do another part like that, okay? Now, let's draw a line that goes around like that, and a line on the other opposite side like that as well. Okay, so it almost looks like he's got a really long neck and he's got a collar happening, and he could have a tie here, but we're not going to do that, but that's what it kind of looks like. Now here, we're going to do the same thing here, what we did on the head. We're going to do the ruffling or the shark fins. So you want to go one fin, two fin, three fin, one fin, two fin, three fin. Okay. Now, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to go one fin, two fin, three fin. Okay. Now, you might be wondering, what is that going on there, Art Raving Dad? Don't worry. It does look like a mustache, but he's got that might be his nose. Who knows? All right, who knows? All right, so now we're going to come down here and we're going to do a fin up, and we're going to go draw down like that. And what we'll do is we'll draw the bottom of his foot there. And we're going to connect this line down to that line, like so. And then obviously we're going to get a bit of 3-dimension happening here. So we're going to go swing in like that, and then curve in all the way into there. Okay, so that's one of his feet. Let's go over to his next foot before we finish off these feet with embellishments. So, like we said over here, we go one fin up, and we go down like that. Now, let's draw a line that goes in something like that. And then we'll come down to here, and then we'll draw a line into there, and then we're going to draw a line all the way up into there. So that's the part of the foot there. Now at his back, he's probably going to have some other feet. So let's draw two little lines in like that. We'll go up the mountain, down the mountain, okay? Do something like that. Now let's finish this out. We're going to do his toes and a bit more embellishments. Let's go one toe here, like a U, upside down U, another U, and another U. And we're going to do the same thing like this on that side over here. Go U, U, hey, U, U, U. Okay, U. All right, so we can like keep in the theme of this ruffledness of the texture, the fur, I guess you could say, that this creeper's got. We're going to do V's all around to sort of keep in line with that. So let's do a V here, a V here, a V here, and a V here. Next, we'll do another V here, and another V there, and another V there, another V there, another V there, and another V there. All right. How many more V's can we do? Well, I'm pretty sure there's only going to be 5 left. Okay. We'll go 1 V here, 2 V's here, 3 V's here, 4 V's here, 5 V's there. And there we go. And guess what, guys? We've drawn the outlines of the Minecraft creeper from the Minecraft movie. The next step is we're going to color this guy in, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, there we go, guys. We've just colored in. How cool does that look? That's really awesome. I did some interesting shading with some different greens here for the toes and on the insides of the legs. And I did a shadow underneath the neck just to give it a bit of dimension. But you can color this in however you want. If you want a purple Minecraft creeper, go for it. It's totally up to you. Or if you want this creeper exploding, you can draw an explosion in the background as well. It's totally up to you. So anyway, guys, my name is Lucas, Art Raving Dad. And today we had fun making art, and I hope you did too. All right, see you next time. Bye. Yeah? All right. Okay, first things first, make sure your camera's on. Make sure you're recording audio. All right.